Good day, guys. You're welcome to this section of the mentorship. So, we'll be talking about what is spread. So, spread is simply the amount which you pay your broker for performing transaction in the market. So, it's just like the fee you pay an agent for performing an activity or tax. So, it's a very small amount of money you pay your broker when you take trades, whether you're buying or you're selling. So the next thing we are covering is what is equity. So equity simply talks about it represents the current value of your account. Either you're making profit or you're making loss. You minus if you're making loss, you minus it from your balance. If you're making profit, you add it to your balance. It will give you your equity. For example, here we can see that we had a balance of 7,900 and we made profit of 714. We added to the 7,900 to get an equity of 8,620. Types of market analysis. Now, in the financial market, we have three types of market analysis. We have the technical analysis, we have the fundamental analysis, and we have the sentimental analysis. These are the three major type of analysis which all decisions are being backed up in the financial market. Now, the technical analysis this deals with chart works, whereby traders use things like candlestick chart patterns and other tools like trend line to back up the decision making process. So, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis deals with fundamental details, things like news, GDP, and all those things like inflations, deflation of a nation. So, all these fall in line with what we in fundamental analysis. Now we have sentimental analysis. This gauge how traders feel whether the overall bias is bullish or bearish. So here we'll be talking about the three types of charts which technical analysis use. So the first type of chart is called the line chart. Now the line chart is just a line showing the trend or depicts the trend. For example, we can see that it's showing upward, meaning that the market is going up. We have the second one which is called the bar chart, and the bar chart you can see it here. So you can see it has four different elements. It has a high, the close, the open, and the low. Also, we have the third one, which is the most used one in the financial market, which is called the candlestick. We have the high, the close, the open, and the low. So, for example, you can see there's a green one and there's a bearish one. The green one shows that the market is going up, while the red one shows the market is going down. So, if the close is above the open, that means it's a bullish candle. And if the close is below the open, that means it's a bearish candle. So basic Japanese candlestick patterns. So these are the different candlestick patterns which you can view to get information on how the market is moving. We have the first one which is called a single candlestick pattern, which is the doji. You can see it here. Is in form of a cross. You can see these are all doji. We have the next one which is called the hammer, which symbolizes low momentum in the market. Example, we have this, and this is the first one, this is the second one. So immediately the market is going down, we see a hammer, the market has a chance of going upward. Then the other one we have is called the bullish engulfing. So this is a two candlestick pattern like this. You can see that we had a bearish candle and a bullish engulfing covering the bearish candle. So this is called a bullish engulfing, while here is called a bearish engulfing, whereby a bearish candle covers a bullish candle. So we can see how it goes here. This is a bearish engulfing, this is a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and bullish engulfing. So we have triple candlestick pattern, which is something like this. Here we have this is called a morning star, and this is called an evening star. So it's where we have a bearish candle, we have a doji, and we have a bullish candle. So with that, the market has a chance of going upward, and here the market has a chance of going downward. So these are several examples of it. So you can Google it to check more examples of it and also check online on YouTube especially.